Hey y'all fanatics, look, I'm about to change this fuel filter, and if you want to know how to do it, it's real simple. Normally still this little part is a ball in here. Can you zoom in on that so they can see it? But if not, don't worry about it. You just kind of push down on it. It should pop out like that. You see that? All right, time's sake I'm speeding this up, but I took a hanger and made me a little hook. What you want to do is hook that line and then start trying to work that filter out like this. Don't pull on it too hard because you don't want to break the line on the inside. Get it out. Okay. All right, so you see I went and got a bunch of filters, but this filter matches this one right here. And keep in mind, guys, this is a Stihl BR350. Now, when you grab this cord, this hose right here, whatever you do, don't let it go, because if it goes back in there, this little 5-minute job is going to turn into a 45-minute job. And you simply just pull it off. It's a little hard, but don't worry. And like I said, don't tug on this too hard. All right, that's the old filter. Here's the new filter. Pop that in, and then make a little snapping noise. And you just stick it back in there, and you want it at the bottom of the gas tank. So a lot of times it's gonna try to hang out around here. You wanna push it back up in there so it can filter the fuel. Like I got it, okay, now it's down in there and it hooked back and it's right in this area right here. All right, as far as this gas cap, see that little ball right there? And let me stand up so hopefully you can see this. Can you zoom in right there? Can you see this right there? Can you see it? I don't know if they can see it. Let's see. Don't go nowhere, guys. Look up. Oh, just like that. Now you can kind of see it right in there. It's a little notch where this little dangly ball gonna go. All right, so I want to just kind of stick it down in there, get it close to that little notch. And after you do it a couple of times, guys, it gets easy. And then once you got it in there, you just kind of pull up on it. And that's it, guys. That's it. And I'm gonna put some gas in it and we'll see if it works. Okay, guys, now once we got that, look, I'm gonna go ahead and put some gas in here. Always kind of shake up your gas, guys, and make sure that the mix is really mixed, that the oil, it don't float and the gas come up to the top. You know, oil is thicker than water, so just mix it up real good. Okay, got that. And this, like I said, you know this old because of the top. All right, we're gonna get it priming a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. Now this is why I changed out my plug right here. All this is new. All this is new. Hopefully I can get it on here without embarrassing myself. So I felt it slide down on there. All right, now we're finna see if we can crank it up. I'm gonna put it down here. And guys, this is what I was talking about. This is what I replaced. Come closer, I don't want it too far. I don't need all the extra. This is what I replaced, the hardware that goes on the inside. This because that part broke off. All right, so let's hope it cranks up, guys. Put it on short. Pull it soft one time so I won't break it. Okay, guys, like new again, you're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. Now, guys, look. This is a BR600. Now, I want you to pay attention to this because look, you see this? This thing has 2 filters on it. Now, I don't know why it's double filtered. I don't know, but it has 2 filters on it. This part is going to be easy to change. I mean, you simply just disconnect that one. Plug up. Make sure it's on there now. Now, right here, disconnect this one. I hope. All right. This is where you don't want to mess up at, guys. Don't let that other one go back in there. If you want to put gloves on, that's fine. Don't be overly critical, okay? I'm gonna wash my hands. Put that one in there. Oh, I almost let go of it, and I heard it pop. Here's the other one. And I can let that go now. Okay, now when you put this in here, make sure this one goes back in first. And like I said, guys, these filters lay at the bottom. Don't have them all piled up right there. They got to go back down in there. You see it ran back down in there itself. And I just want to make sure that I take my little coat hanger that I had. And I want to kind of, I don't know if you can see in there, kind of get that long one. Yeah, you see how it went all the way back in there? And then I just want to sit this one down kind of in front of it. But like I said, guys, you want to make sure that they are in the gas tank and laying at the bottom of the gas tank. Not, this is the top, that's the bottom. So you get them. You got to kind of work them down in there, guys, but don't hook nothing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, come on, don't do that. Don't do that. Uh-oh. There you go. Okay, I got them in there. This is the old one. Where you go? I'm gonna close that up. Guys, it works better if you drain all the gas out of it. I still left half the gas in it. All right, okay, guys, and like I said, I'm doing a little total maintenance on it. Got new air filters, new spark plugs, and I need to make sure that your older model engines plugs are like that. Your newer model engines are like this. Now I go to the lawnmower shop, Camel's Hardware and Equipment, Forest Park, and they'll fit your new Stihl tools. Like I said, what I do with it? This is the older one. This goes to an older combi unit. You see how big they are. Somewhere on down the line, they changed it. You'll notice that your Stihl tools, that's why you got to be careful, because you may need the old one and the new tool out there. But I'm going to go ahead and put this plug in real quick. And somebody asked me, should I gap them? From what I was told at the dealer, that all these plugs are pre-gap. That old school gapping like you used to do with these older model cars and stuff, you shouldn't have to do that now. If you heard different, yeah, go ahead and comment below. But I kind of get it started by hand. If you're turning that nut by hand, that spark plug by hand, and it's going in easy, then you know you're doing it the right way. If you turn it and you're getting resistance from hand turning it, stop, because you do not want to cross thread. Don't over tighten these, but tighten them. It's like a double negative. Push that till I hear it snap. I'm gonna put my cover back on for this. Right. And guys, like I said, this is not hard at all. I recommend everybody who has power equipment learn how to do your own maintenance, because if you had took this to the shop, you would have spent $70, $80, maybe $100 just for maintenance, when all the parts may not cost you but about 20 or 30 bucks. And that's how you save that money. With that extra money, you can take your wife out to eat. Not now, well, maybe through a drive-through and get some Wendy's or some Chick-fil-A or something like that. Don't over tighten these. And you notice I'm using the Stihl too, because all their nuts are designed like that. All right, so what I done, I changed the air filter, spark plug, all the fuel filters. I'm gonna prime it a little bit, put it in choke. Pray for the best. Where'd it go? Hold on, let me rev it up. Oh, come on. Embarrassing me in front of everybody. Guys, that's how you do that maintenance yourself. Tune into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman. I'll talk to you soon.